Welcome back for more TDD with SwiftUI. I'm John Reed. Let's start building up this initial count is 0. An experienced TDDer starts with the assertion and works backwards, but that can be tricky when we're dealing with SwiftUI views because we have to interact with a third-party tool that we haven't brought in yet, and how do we do that? So let's instead use Llewellyn Falco's technique of describing the test in natural language. What do we want to do? We want to create the view, the counter view. Then we want to find the counter inside the view. Then we want to get the text from the counter and confirm that it's 0. That looks like a pretty nice test design. Just study that. This is a great technique to write things out in natural language first and then convert them into code. Now, with the addition of this test, actually, let's first make sure we haven't broken anything and commit this as a starting point. This is a test-only change. Add outline of count is 0 test. Now that this test suite is there, we can get rid of this other leftover cruft from creating the project in the first place. So let's do that. Delete, move to trash. Goodbye. Thank you. We'll go a little faster still. That is delete template test. That looks pretty good. Let's keep going. Come on back for more.